Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to teach making sentences in English with simplified guide. The very first one we are going to learn basic structure of sentences. Structure is subject, verb, object. Subject is who is doing the action. Verb is what is the action. Object is who or what is affected by the action. For example, the cat is subject, drinks is verb, milk is object. When we put them all together, then sentence will be formed: the cat drinks milk. Now we move ahead on remembering the structure. SVO. This is the simple order. S subject who, we, verb what do they do, O object what gets the action. For example, she runs fast. There is no object needed because this is the simple sentence. Now we are going to learn tips to create simple sentences. Start with the subject. Think of a noun. For example, person, place, animal, thing. For example, the boy. Add a verb. Choose an action. For example, jumps. Include an object if needed. Add what the action affects. For example, on the ball. Complete sentence is the boy jumps on the ball. Now you must do the practice exercises. This is the test of how much you understand. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. The cat dash on the sofa. I dash an apple. They dash a movie. Exercise 2. Create your own sentences using these subjects: the dog, the girl, my brother. Verbs: runs, plays, eats. Objects: fast, again, dinner. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.